Hello, this is Attorney Brian Pendergraft from the Planlord Ask a Real Estate Attorney vlog series, and this is vlog number 3. And today's question is, can I use my real estate LLC to sell high-quality wholesale leads? And I think this question is interesting because I actually see 3 issues here. Now, the first issue is, can I sell leads? Second issue is, if I am selling leads, how to protect myself from selling leads. And the third issue I see here is, can I use my real estate LLC in order to sell leads? So I'm going to tackle all 3 of these issues one at a time. So let's start with lead brokering. Or can I sell leads, which is what I like to call lead brokering services. Is it legal to sell leads? Yes, it's legal to sell leads. And, but there's 2 kinds of leads. So I say leads probably fall into 2 categories. So there's public leads and then there are private leads. Now, public leads is publicly available information. Say if I find out that someone is facing foreclosure, or if I find out that someone has been charged with a crime, or if someone's going through a divorce, this is all publicly available information. Now, if I package publicly available information and I just make it more convenient and easier to sift through, then it's fine. I can do that. No further action is really required. I can just package it and sell it. I'm just providing a service. I'm just making it more convenient. It's cool. On the other hand, when selling private leads, and by this I mean you gather private information from the person. It's stuff that is not publicly available. Say like Facebook, for example. Facebook is gathering all of our data and selling it right now as we speak. That being said, they're allowed to do that because we gave them permission to sell our information to other people. So that's essentially how Zillow works. They collect private information and they sell those leads to these, to realtors. And it's perfectly fine for them to do that because people opt in. In the same manner, it's okay for, pretty much anyone to do it. So say if you have a motivated seller website and you're collecting leads and these people are hot because, you're gathering all this great information to that. The more information you gather, the higher quality the lead is, I guess. So you get all this information. But again, these people have to agree for you to sell their information. So they're going to need to agree to terms of use or to allow you to sell their information. Essentially, they have to agree to it first. And if you need help with those types of agreements, you know who to hit up. Me. All right. So the next question, or the next issue. Let's see. What was the second issue again? I gotta remember. Oh, so you need to protect yourself when you are when selling wholesale leads. This is pretty much what I would tell anyone who's selling any product, or any type of product or any type of service. When selling products or when selling services to people, you want to make sure that you protect yourself when doing it. So, and if I'm providing a service, like say I'm providing some legal services, I need a client contract. If I'm selling leads, on the other hand, I would want to have a sort of a terms of use with my end user that they sign off, when I sell them these leads, so that they're not suing me or they're not coming out or they're trying to come after me saying, hey, these leads aren't really high quality or these leads suck. That's why you need to make sure that you're protecting yourself when selling leads, when selling any sort of product or service with a sort of a terms of use type of contract. And again, you need help with a contract like that, for when selling these leads, who to call, hit me up. All right. So the third question or issue, I should say. The third issue is, can I use my real estate LLC in order to sell wholesale leads? And the answer to this question is maybe. I guess it depends on how the purpose of your LLC and just on how broadly or narrowly it's defined. Say, for example, my LLC, the Pendergraft firm, it is it's narrowly defined. It says legal services. So that's pretty much all in my articles, organization, I filed with the state. I told them like, hey, this LLC is for legal purposes. So if I start selling, if I start performing real estate services or if I start selling leads or lead brokering, it seems to, at least to me, in my opinion, it falls outside of the stated purpose of my LLC. In the same manner, if you're I think that lead brokering may very well fall outside of the purpose of a real estate LLC if your LLC is very narrowly defined, like my LLC is. So if yours just says like real estate investing services and you're lead brokering, then it just may not be kosher. So in order to be, I guess, the safest you may just need to update your articles of amendment file an articles of amendment or something like that in order to update your LLC to make sure that it encompasses all of the activities that you're doing. So yeah, I think I pretty much covered all the issues. Now again, this is the Planlord Ask a Real Estate Attorney vlog series number 3, and I hope that you enjoyed it. So and again, don't be a landlord, be a planlord. Peace out.